Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. This is a special announcement for our Achievers Spark batch. My dear students, this Achievers Spark batch is a crash course for students who are droppers. That means the students who have taken CLAT 2020 and scored some good marks but they couldn't reach to NLU, or to the students who have been preparing for one full year, okay, and they are now at the advanced level and they wish to improve their score, improve their rank. Okay, so in a way this is a rank achievers batch, okay, or rank improvement batch, whatever is the name you wish to do. So you may ask, okay sir, what is so special about this particular course? So let me start with a question to you. What is your most valuable asset today with respect to this CLAT? Is it your, you can say, knowledge about legal reasoning कि क्लास में आप बहुत अच्छी तरीके से टीचर को आंसर दे पाते थे वो, या आपको जीके में पूरी दुनिया के बारे में पता है क्योंकि आप काफी दिनों से अखबार पढ़ते हो, ठीक है, आप सब अखबार दिन में 2 या 3 अखबार पढ़ते हो, ठीक है, और यू नो एवरीथिंग विच इज हैपनिंग अराउंड दी, यू कैन से, वर्ल्ड, ठीक है, आप एक एक चीज लोगों को बताने के काबिल हो वो, या आपका यू कैन से रीडिंग लेवल, दैट मीन्स आप बहुत अच्छी अच्छी किताबें पढ़ते हो, ठीक है, यू हैव बीन रीडिंग लॉट ऑफ नॉवेल्स, यू हैव बीन रीडिंग लॉट ऑफ फिक्शनल बुक्स, नॉन फिक्शनल बुक्स, and you are able to understand it. Is that your, you can say, asset? Or your asset is logic? You are able to see through the logic. Is it your asset? My dear students, I think it is not that you have been reading a lot about GK, that is your asset in the CLAT examination, or it is your ability to understand the legal aspect and compete with your teachers in the class, okay, that is your asset. No, it is your asset that you have read a lot of books in the past. Is that your asset? No, the asset is, remember my dear students, the asset you possess is the scoring potential. My dear students, it is your scoring potential which is your asset, and believe me, it is most valuable asset as well as it is perishable asset. Now what do you mean by perishable? Okay, possibly it may reduce over a period of time, okay, it may reduce its value over a period of time. Your current scoring ability is a combination of your knowledge, school experience, your education, your personality, your let's say attitude, your motivation, your friends, lot of factors, and that scoring ability is your ultimate asset. And my dear students, okay, if you are a dropper and you want to boost your score, the one thing you will focus on is your scoring ability rather than, you can say, worrying on developing your assets. Like, look, I'm able to read a lot of newspaper over a period of time. No, that is not the your asset. So my dear students, okay, with the sole objective of improving and maintaining the level of your scoring ability, the course is called Achiever Spark is coming to you. It is going to start from 10th of March. It is in an online mode and it is bilingual. It is a mix of Hindi and English. Okay, so my dear students, this is a crash course for dropper and advanced level students. Yes or no? As I mentioned, this is not for everyone. Here we are not going to start from zero. Okay, we are not going to start from zero. Okay, we are going to actually assume that you know everything in legal, you know everything in RC, you know everything in GK. Okay, you have already done a course on it, and now you wish to compete yourself with so many other good quality students, and you wish to identify what is a gap in your thought process which is stopping you to reach to that top 500, or it is stopping you to reach to Bangalore or Hyderabad. This is a course for you. So my dear students, okay, what is the objective of the course? One by one, it is a direct focus on practicing questions. We are not going to spend time on theories. Okay, so you may wonder, sir, I am good at some round, let's say 4 areas. I'm weak in one area. Don't I, you can say, need to work on my, you can say basics, fundamentals? Yes, you need to. But other 4 areas, you are not required to do it. So crash course is not going to start from zero. Okay, so if you join some other crash courses, they're going to start from zero. Okay, we're not starting from zero, we're starting from the middle of it. Yes or no? And you are going to get advantage out of it. Yes or no? Number one. Number two, you are going to get high quality 15,000 plus questions. You are exposed to so many questions. Okay? And when you are exposed to so many questions, what will happen to you? The advantage is you will possibly improve your learning ability. You will improve your scoring ability. How do you improve your scoring ability? Because you are exposed to newer variety of good quality questions. Yes or no? And that will challenge your brain, and that's how you will possibly improve your scoring ability. There will be a lot of discussion. Okay? This course is more of discussion based. It is not one way. Okay, it is not one way lecture, it's a dialogue. Okay, so here you are not going to get, you can say, one way lectures. There is a test. You will appear for a test, and then we are going to discuss on those questions. So it is more of question solution kind of thing, and your personalized, you can say, thought processes, you can say, will be improved. What happens in a discussion mode? The more you open your mouth, I will be in a position to sneak into your mind, and I will be in a position to help you to understand where is a gap in the thought process. Okay, that is what the idea is. This personalized gap, okay, will help you to focus on the most important area in the last few days to improve your score, to develop your scoring ability. You don't need to spend your time on unnecessary things. You need to spend time on the quality input. Okay, and that is what the entire course is focusing on. Definitely, for some of you, we believe that out of 5 sections, you may be good at 4 sections. One section will be Achilles heel for you. It may be a weak link for you, and you are not scoring there. We are going to give you full concept on the weak area as well. So for every one of you, in case you have one weak area, in the first week of the course, you will tell us that this is your Achilles heel, that is your weak area. We are going to give you full course on it with all fundamentals. Okay, not in the other 4 sections. Okay, so we understand that. Okay, and we'll give you that. Okay, so your course will start with, you can say, all together with a direct practice questions. But in one of the section, you want to start with fundamentals. You want to study all the basics. Okay, we are going to give you that as well. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, at the same time, the modules are high yield training modules. Okay, they are not random. Okay, they are not randomly designed. It will be high yield. Okay, and thereby we will be in a position to pick up, you can say, a weak areas wherein that is stopping you to progress further. Okay, and thereby you will be in a position to do boosting of your scores. So at the end of the day, the objective is your scoring ability will be improved. Remember, it is a perishable scenario. It is a perishable asset. If you are not putting in a right manner, if you are not training yourself in a right manner, if you are not looking in a right perspective, this scoring ability will reduce. Okay, it will become perishable. I have seen in last so many years the students having good capabilities, okay, with all their academic background, all their schooling, all their knowledge, all their skills, all their excitement, motivation, energy, okay, intellectual capability, they are not able to score well. Why? Because they did not understand this aspect, that this scoring ability is an asset. Okay, it is perishable asset, and it requires a regular, you can say, training. Okay, our training module is focusing on this. Okay, obviously we know that knowledge, okay, that is legal knowledge, current affair knowledge, math knowledge, RC knowledge, logic knowledge, that's very crucial. Yes or no? It is crucial. But my dear students, it will not give you top rank. It will give you a top rank only once this part. Nothing will give you a top rank, only your scoring ability. Are you focusing on your scoring ability or not is very crucial. So, what do you get in this module? It's exclusive and extensive strategy which we have developed for you. It is exclusive, that means you are going to get exclusively. Okay. Nobody in the country will be getting this, only the people who have joined this course will be getting. And more importantly, it is extensive. Okay, it covers a lot of things. In fact, it covers everything what you may possibly look for. So, it's a mix of live and self prep. Okay, because you are obviously the master of doing self prep. So what you are going to get in a live, you get 100 revision module. Okay, plus you will be getting 30 sectional test discussion. Okay, these are live modules दोस्तों. Here, we are going to train you about how to read between the lines, because your future lies in that reading between the lines. A lot of focus will be on tricks and techniques and focus on gap analysis. Okay, so my dear students, okay, this entire live module are designed with a specific thought process, that we understand that there is a gap in your ability and your scoring. Okay, there is a gap, so we are focusing on that gap analysis. We are going to give you a lot of tricks, techniques, and train you for read between the lines. Okay, this is what the training module. There will be a lot of self preparation content, full year editorial content will be provided to you for all your current affair part. Okay, so you are going to get access of complete editorial plus complete monthly compendium plus all the different type of MCQs we have developed for one full year. That is what you are going to get. You are going to get access to 35 mocks. Okay, all India mock test will be available to you. You will be getting 100 sectional tests. Okay, that is what you are going to practice on. You will be getting lot of topic wise material to read. Okay, some of you may not be comfortable about reading, then you get video lectures on it. Okay, then you'll be getting a lot of, you can say, practice questions on it. Complete support for weak area, as I mentioned. Out of 5 sections, for one section you need concept from zero. We are going to put you into that course. Okay, for example, one of you may be very weak in legal. You may say, sir, I wish to study constitution, tort, contract, crime, okay, jurisprudence, family law, IPR from zero. Feel free, we will be giving you that. Okay, okay, but out of 5 sections, only one section you will be getting it from zero. Okay, okay, that is how the idea is. In fact, not out of 5, out of 4, because for GK you are going to get from zero. So out of 4 sections, okay, you will be getting one course from zero. Okay, other 3 courses obviously will start with an advanced level only. Okay, average 8 to 9 hours per day of practice content will be available to you. Okay, so this is a special course for droppers, for the advanced level students. Okay, let me repeat one more time. What we are trying to do here is unlocking your potential. You have great scoring potential. We wish to unlock that by various methods, by various means. Okay, and we understand this, you can say, scoring ability is a perishable asset. Okay, and how to ensure that it is not perished. Can we, you can say, enhance it? Yes, we can. And how do you enhance it? That's what the full course is working on. Our course is going to ensure that this entire module will be provided to you in a very structured manner, in a very regular manner, with a proper focus that you are trying to work on, you can say, good capabilities. Yes, so my dear students, again, if you wish to be in top 500, okay, this course is for you. This is a kind of unique course available to you. Okay, and I'm sure you will get a good competition with a lot of your classmates, and you will fight with tooth and nail and reach to the best of the best NLUs in the country. Okay, The future lawyers are going to join this course. Yes or no? Thank you very much for watching this and do not miss out to join this course. All details are given in the description link. Be part of it. Thank you. Have a great day.